These shoes cost $198. They're handmade in Italy by artisans who are experts at their craft.
Non c'è nessuna macchina che riesca ancora a fare questo lavoro.
This kind of quality would typically cost 3 times as much if you bought them from a designer brand at a fancy store. But since they're not stocked at those places, there's no extra markup, which means you're getting the same quality shoes for less. Or at least, that's the promise direct-to-consumer brands like Everlane and M.Gemi make. The low price begs the question, do you really get the same value you'd get from a luxury brand? Or is that bullshit? We hopped on a plane to Tuscany to find out. M.Gemi is an American shoe brand that manufactures in Italy, in the same factories as some of the top European luxury brands. We can't tell you which though, that's top secret. All of the shoes are made by hand, by craftspeople who have been doing this for decades. On a given day, this factory makes 60 pairs of shoes. A larger factory nearby makes 150.
Si taglia, si cuce a mano sempre, si stira sempre a mano e si montano tutte a mano.
Each part of the process is done by one person. At the larger factory, a typical shoe is touched by 18 pairs of hands before it's complete.
La nostra azienda è da 22 anni che sta lavorando questo tipo di scarpa.
The factories are family-owned and have been passed down from generation to generation.
Quando è cucita, quando è finita, la soddisfazione è tanta di vedere un articolo realizzato completamente a mano e vederlo poi esposto in vetrina e dici quella l'ho fatta io, è sempre una gran bella soddisfazione.
But what's equally impressive is how fast you can buy them. Shoes that are completed in Italy on a Thursday are shipped on Friday and can arrive in America as early as Monday. That's Zara levels of fast.
E-commerce has really changed the way that we're able to do business today, and it's really exciting that we are able to work together with our workshops and with the tanneries here and have this quick turnaround that is really revolutionary, something that has not been done in the past.
And while modern American shoppers are getting handmade Italian shoes the age-old way, these factories are also learning how to adapt their skills for a younger group of consumers. Okay, so back to the question. Is the value really the same as what you get from a luxury brand? After seeing the production process and the sheer number of people working on each pair, well, you be the judge.